Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a window air conditioner. So the first step you want to do is open up your window like this. Make sure you take the screen out, or do whatever you do, swipe it up, whatever you do to get the screen out, or up, whatever. So make sure your window unit fits the window, of course. So what you want to do is take your air conditioner, this. So you want to take your air conditioner, you want to set it in your window like this. And you want to make sure you're off. 1 second. So, what you want to do is, so when you close the window, make sure it closes right here. Not back here, in front of here, but between here. Between this part and this part. Make sure this part of the window goes inside of this part. Okay. So, I will show y'all. And when you finish installing it, you want to make sure it tilts back just a little bit, not too much. So, set it in the window until your side panels reach the side of your window. So, like this. Just do that. Just kind of move around so it fits. Okay. So, that's as far as it's going to go. Okay. The window may be closed on it, but you're not done yet. See the side accordion panels? You want to move them until they close your window, or not close your window, until they get them in the right place. This one, there we go. Until it looks like that. That's how you want it. So, now, what you want to do is close your window. Oop, not that much. Make sure you get it the right way you want it. That. Well, mine may not go in the middle, but you want to make sure yours goes right there. Well, it's okay if you have it set back here. It's just to prevent getting that. So what you want to do is close it until you get it to the way you want it. This. Okay. It's in there. Alright. It's not going anywhere now. See? I'm pushing on it with good strength. It's not going anywhere. It can still pull back a little bit, but people might not want to do that. So now I'm gonna take these old napkins they're clean and fill in the gaps. This way you don't have any gaps anymore. Okay. The top. Oh. Yeah. Good. Alright, so the top is sealed. Well, you might want to, if you have a small window like this, you might want to take a little block or like something solid, strong enough, so if you open the window, it won't go back up. It's for like burglary and stuff. They can still push in, but if you have a window this size, they may not come in. Depends on the house, the size. All right, so I'm gonna. Don't worry about that. It's pretty sealed. I'll put some stuff in there. I'm gonna break this real quick. Make sure everything's sealed. Good. Okay. After it's installed, you make sure your filter's clean. One of my friends gave this to me, so it may not be very clean. Still blows cold, so works fine. I've already tested it and used it. So now, what you want to do, take your plug, and wherever you have a plug, I have a plug in here somewhere. I'll have a extension cord. Do not worry. I have a special type of extension cord. So you wanna plug your air conditioner in. Once you plug it in, press the reset. If the green light doesn't come on, push the reset button. It should turn on. Once you turn the reset button on and it's green, you can turn it on. There you go. It's installed. All right. I hope you stay cool. And if you have a heat pump, hope you stay warm. Well, that is how you install a window air conditioner. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Wait till the next one.